Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Claude AI Chat as a PDF in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude.ai and simply log into your account in order to get access to this type of dashboard and in order to get access to all the responses. Now over here in this message section, you just have to simply start typing your prompt. So let's say I give it a prompt like provide me an essay on, let's say, my best friend. So after giving it this particular prompt, it is basically going to provide me the essay. So let's say this is the conversation that I want to convert into PDF. So what you need to do is you need to simply open a new tab and then you need to search for docs.google.com. Now over here, make sure that you have already logged into your Google account. Then click on the option of blank document. Now over here, you just have to give your document a name. So let's say it is the name that I have given to it. And now you just have to simply come here on Claude AI and you need to simply open your conversation. So when the conversation is available here, you just have to wait for it to complete it and then simply copy it from here. So you will see this copy button. So you just have to simply click on it and copy the conversation and the text. Afterwards, you need to come here on docs.google.com and paste it as it is over here. You can also make changes into it by using these particular options here on the top. So once you are done, simply click on the option of file, then click on the option of download. Over here, select the option of PDF, and as you can see, the PDF is downloaded and it has also opened in my device successfully. So that's how you can save the Claude AI chat as a PDF. So thank you.